Hello, welcome to Otis Place. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make your very own potent onion juice for your hair. This is a cost-effective way of treating your hair and your scalp. It is very easy to make, very straightforward, and it's a not so pure onion juice recipe. If this is something you like, this is something you're interested in, keep watching. Our first ingredient for this is, of course, onions. That's the star of the show. I'm not peeling my onions. The onion peel also has its own nutrients. So I'm just going to cut the tip and the base. Onions have hair enhancing properties. It is high in sulfur, which is essential for the regeneration of hair follicles. When used consistently, onion juice will nourish your hair and give it a natural shine. Just cut them up into the sizes you want. I'm going to blend this, so I'm cutting them up into sizes that I can blend. Onions is said to encourage hair growth. People suffering from alopecia areata will benefit a lot from using onions for the hair, because research has shown that onions help regrow hair for people who suffer from alopecia areata. Just watch this video to the end so that I'll tell you how to use this onion juice in your hair for maximum results. The next thing we're going to use is garlic. Garlic is one of my favorites. Garlic is also rich in sulfur. It helps to promote hair growth. Garlic has antimicrobial and antifungal properties. This helps encourage a clean scalp, no infection in your scalp. It contains selenium, which helps to circulate blood in your scalp. And when blood circulates properly in your scalp, it promotes hair growth. People with alopecia areata will also benefit from using garlic in their hair care regimen. The next one we are going to use is ginger. Ginger helps in circulating blood to your scalp, thereby stimulating hair growth and strengthening the hair follicles. I love me some ginger. It contains fatty acids, minerals, and vitamins. Chopping them all up, I put them in a blender and I put in 250 ml of water, cup of water. After putting in the water, is just to blend it. I'll blend it as smooth as I can. The amount of time you blend it for would depend on how your blender works. It didn't take me long to blend it to a smooth paste. So after blending, we're going to strain. This part is very important. If you don't strain this and you just put it directly in your hair, you're going to have onion, garlic, and ginger bits in your hair. So it is important to strain this. I used a wig cap to strain mine. You can use whatever you have to strain. And here we have our onion juice, our onion, garlic, and ginger juice. Very easy to make, very straightforward. For me, instead of just using them individually, I prefer to do it this way. I make onion juice and incorporate the garlic and ginger, and I have something really potent for my hair. Even if you don't have scalp issues, you can still benefit from this juice. You can use it once in a month. So here is our juice. Not so pure onion juice. Not so pure because it has other things in it, but this is a potent mix. You can store it in your refrigerator for up to a week. Now, guys, just don't mind my bottle. I was using it for hot oil treatment, and the water was a little bit too hot, hence the bend. I transferred it into this container for easy application. What you just do is apply it to your hair. If you want to use this mix, you shouldn't use it more than 2 times a week. 2 times a week is okay if you have scalp issues. And if you don't have scalp issues, you can use this once in a month. I'm concentrating more on my scalp. When I apply, I massage properly. I'm going to make sure every section of my hair benefits from this. If you've watched up to now and you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe. When you subscribe, click on the notification bell so that whenever new videos are posted, you'll be one of the first to get them. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, guys, and share it with your friends and family, especially those who you know would love to treat their hair. Please share the video with them. If you've not used any of these ingredients before, please make sure you do a patch test. A patch test is just simply applying this to a small area and leaving it for a few hours to 24 hours to see how it reacts with your skin before you actually go ahead to use it all over your hair. Whenever you're using something new, always do a patch test, please. So guys, let me know in the comment section, who are the onion lovers? Who are the people who have tried onion juice in their hair before? Do you like using just normal onion juice, or you prefer mixing things in them? I prefer mixing garlic and ginger in my onion juice because I know that all these ingredients are beneficial, and for me it just be too stressful to make garlic juice on its own, ginger juice on its own, and onion juice on its own. So I just thought to myself, why not just put them all together and get a powerful solution for your hair? Taking care of a natural hair does not have to be expensive. Onions, garlic, and ginger are things we easily have at home. And so if you go into your kitchens, you'll see at least 2 of these ingredients in your kitchen right now. After applying it on my hair, I make sure I massage my scalp properly. Then I cover it with a nylon. Allow it for about 30 minutes, shampoo it, and proceed with my wash day. That's how I use this treatment. If you have scalp issues, like I said earlier, you could use this 2 times a week, but no more than 2 times a week. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found something here useful. Until next time, bye.